Next we are discussing problems based on rotation. So problem is, when a complex number z equal to 1 plus eta is rotated at right angle with respect to origin in anti-clockwise direction, a new complex number is formed, find it. Okay, तो हमें वो complex number find करना है. Okay, तो हमारे पास एक complex plane है. This one is origin, this one is real axis, this one is imaginary axis. Okay, a complex number z is what? 1 plus eta. Okay, so this is complex number z, so z equal to what? 1 plus eta. Now if you join origin and this complex number z, so you'll get this ray will come. This is directed line segment joining z and 0. Now z equal to 1 plus eta is rotated at right angle. Okay, so if you rotate this one at right angle, so we'll get this one. Okay, in which direction we are rotating? In anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is what? Anti-clockwise direction, and this angle is what? Pi by 2. Then we'll get some other complex number, that is z2. Okay, so we have to find out z2. Okay, so if you rotate this one with 90 degree, that means z equal to what? 1 plus eta. So here magnitude will be what? Same only we are doing rotation. Okay, so this one magnitude is what? Suppose modulus of z, then this one modulus also modulus of z. Okay, so we are rotating this one with the angle pi by 2. So what you will do, here we are using rotation formula. Okay, so what you do, this one we can write in terms of argument form. So how to write? Argument of, in bracket, denominator and numerator. Okay, so suppose this is denominator and this is numerator. So how to write this one? Denominator is what? Z minus 0. Okay, Z minus 0, and numerator is what? Z2 minus 0. Z2 minus 0 equal to, see, denominator we are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, so angle is what? Pi by 2. So this will come out pi by 2. Okay, so from here we can say that z2 by z equal to modulus of z2 divided by z into e power eta pi by 2. Like that we can write. Okay, so here modulus of z2 and modulus of z both are same only. So this value is what? 1. So what will come? z2 equal to z into e power eta pi by 2. This will come. So where z is what? Z is 1 plus eta. So if you put value here, 1 plus eta into e power eta pi by 2. So e power eta pi by 2 is what? Cos pi by 2 plus eta sin pi by 2. This will come. So this will come what? 1 plus eta cos pi by 2 0 plus eta sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is what? 1. So what will come? Eta. So if you multiply this one, what will come? Eta plus eta square. Eta square is what? Minus 1. So what will come in this one? Minus 1 plus eta. So z2 is what? Minus 1 plus eta. So this is nothing but minus 1 plus eta. This is your new position.